fidget trading. I'm trading this cactus puppet. Going once, going twice.
Sold.
Excuse me.
Sold.
Let me see how good that quality is. Hey, give me it. Let me see that. Fine. Sold. Oh, thank you for being so fidgety.
Fidgety.
Trading this squishy kind of. Going once, going twice, going 3 times.
Sold.
No!
Sold.
Please add. Add, I said. Ooh, textury. I guess. Goodbye. Sold. You know what? I'm getting tired of this. Fidget trading, going once, going twice.
Sold.
Sold. Yes! I got my fidget toy back.
Thank you for being so fidgety.
You're welcome. Trading
I want to be the
fidget, going once, going twice.
Sold.
I'm supposed to say sold.
Okay.
Sold.
Yes. iPods out of the box. Can I read it again?
Yeah. Trading this.
AirPods. Bop it one. Going once.
Me.
Going twice. Get something.
Say what's your offer?
What's your offer?
I'll offer this texture.
Sold.
Yes, I got some new, brand new AirPods, guys.
Free. Thank you for being so fidgety. Oh, jeez. Whoopsie.
Trading this wrapper. Going once, going twice.
Me.
Hey, what's your offer?
This.
Sure. Sold. Whatever this is. Like it.
Okay. Textury going once.
Ooh, me.
Going twice.
Me.
What's your offer?
My offer is this.
Please add.
Maybe this.
Please add.
This marker, you can open it, close it.
Sold.
Yay! I always wanted this.
Thank you for being so fidgety.
Alright, what should I be trading today? I'm going to be trading this puppet. Trading puppet, going once, going twice. Please add, this is a really expensive puppet. One more thing, please.
Death machine.
Sold!
Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a short video, but
Love you guys and always from
Yes.
the bottom of our heart.
and comment down below
What's your favorite Buffett toy?
Yeah, pop it and like a fidget toy. Comment down below. All right, guys.
Or this.
And then
This
you can
or this.
search up more toys like a simple dimple. Tangle.
Hashtag cacti if you like the cacti.
No,
or hashtag circle if you like the circle.
But if you want to search up like other ones on like
Twitter.
anywhere,
Twitter.
you can search up them like simple
Don't go on
dimples,
Twitter.
tangle, simple dimples, tangle, and then tell me their names and do hashtag tangle or something. All right, guys,
Bop,
bye.
it's so fun to
We'll
play.
see you later.
Thanks for being so fidgety.
Boom.